In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post on Zoho Social. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, compose your content, add media, and lock in the perfect time for your post to go live. First, open your browser and head to the Zoho Social website. On the home page, click Sign In. When the sign in page loads, choose the Google option, then select the Google account you want to use. If you see any permission prompts, allow access so Zoho Social can log you in securely. Once you're in your Zoho Social dashboard, start creating your content by clicking New Post. This opens the Post Composer. At the top, choose the social media profiles where you want your update to appear. You can select one or multiple networks depending on what you have connected. A quick tip here, make sure you're working in the correct brand or workspace so the post reaches the right audience. Next, add your visuals. Click Attach Media to bring in an image or video. You can pick from your media library if you've already uploaded assets, or upload directly from your computer if the file isn't there yet. Browse for the media you want, select it, and click Attach. It's a good idea to check each platform's size, aspect ratio, and length limits so your media displays cleanly everywhere. Now craft your caption in the text box. Keep it concise and on brand, and consider adding relevant hashtags, mentions, or a short call to action. Zoho Social often shows character counts and previews, which can help you tailor the message to each network without rewriting everything. Give it a quick proofread to catch typos, and make sure any links you include are correct. When your content looks good, it's time to schedule. In publishing options, choose the option to schedule for a specific date. A calendar and time picker will appear. Select the exact date and time you want the post to publish. Double check your time zone settings so the post goes out when you intend. If you're posting to several networks, aim for a time that suits your audience across platforms. Consider peak engagement hours for an extra boost. Finally, review your selections. Profiles chosen, media attached, caption finalized, and scheduling details set, then click Schedule. You should see a confirmation that your post is queued. You can view it later in your scheduled posts or calendar if you need to edit or reschedule. And that's it. You've scheduled a post on Zoho Social with confidence, ensuring your content goes live exactly when your audience is most likely to see it.